Hi lovelies, thanks for stopping by. Here is Phoebe's Kitchen and I believe you're all doing great. Today on our menu we have a delicious assorted meat and fish Ghanaian rice soup and I hope you will like it. So please stay tuned till the end and be inspired. Also kindly do me a favor to like, share, comment on the video, okay? Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. With my ingredients, I have toolo beefy or cured beef. I've got oven smoked mackerel homemade. I've got smoked turkey and I've got tripe. I've also got fresh tomatoes. I've got ginger, garlic, red bell pepper. I've got garden eggs, orange bell pepper. I've got carrots. And with my seasonings, I've got fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, and seasoning cubes. Yes. Next, I've also got mushrooms. I've got my complete herb seasonings and now my salt to taste. Check them all out again closely. You can tell these are amazing ingredients and putting them together will make a great soup. Yeah. So next I've got Scotch bonnet pepper, red onion and white onion. So I'll go ahead and wash the meat and fish thoroughly under running water. I am back and in the saucepan I'm adding my smoked turkey, tripe, cured beef or toolo beef, salt to taste, and now my herb seasonings. Next I'm adding my seasoning cubes just like so. And then I'll cover the saucepan up for the protein to steam for about 3 minutes. Next, in a different saucepan, I'm adding my garden eggs and I'll let them cook to perfection. So we are about to check on our proteins and so far so good. They've released their flavors and their juices, but I'll still go ahead and add a little bit more of water to help with the steaming process here. This smells so good already. Lovelies. I'll cover them up for them to steam until tender. Next, in a blender, I'm adding my onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, rosemary, thyme, tomatoes, garlic, red bell pepper, and now water for easy blending. We are done blending, so let's go ahead and add the aromatics to our meat to continue with the steaming process because the meat is still not tender yet. So you give them time to marry in the saucepan. Now I'm adding my mackerel, now onion, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, fresh tomatoes, yes, carrots, and now my mushrooms. I'll give them time for all of them to still steam and I'll check on them periodically. So yes, we are still steaming. Lovelies. At this point, let's take our vegetables out because they are tender enough. And we're going to blend them until nice and smooth. Okay. So far, lovelies, if you're enjoying the video or you love the recipe, please don't forget to give a girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share for others to see. And I'll appreciate it. Let's add some mushrooms to the vegetables and blend them as well. This will add a different flavor to the soup and you will love it. Now let's add some of our cooked garden eggs and blend till nice and smooth. So far we are back. But before I'll add my blended aromatics, let me remove the mackerel, okay? Or else they'll break apart, which I do not want that. Yes? Beautiful, lovelies. I love the subtle aroma. Next, let's add our aromatics just like so and give it a stir until well combined. And lovelies, we are still at the steaming stage, so I'll give it time for all the ingredients to marry. 7 minutes later, everything looks so good, so I'm adding water to my desired level. Okay, and again, I'll give it a stir until well combined. And lovelies, at this stage, I will cover the soup halfway and give it about 25 minutes to be ready, yeah? 15 minutes later, I'm adding my okra and Scotch bonnet pepper, which is totally optional, okay? Lovely, so far, if you're enjoying the recipe, kindly like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts about the recipe, okay? At this point, I'm adding my oven smoked homemade mackerel and finally fresh coriander leaves for fresh flavor. Yes, so to be honest, at this final stage, our soup is very flavorful and aromatic. Wow. and I love everything about the recipe. You will love it whenever you give it a try. And when you do, don't forget to bring me your feedback on Instagram or comment down below my Facebook and YouTube videos, and your girl will always appreciate it, yeah? And tada, I'm serving myself. Lovelies, dinner is ready, lunch is ready, even breakfast is ready. Because I know some of us Ghanaians wouldn't mind having this for breakfast, and I'm not an exception. I love my heavy breakfast. Lovelies, you will love this recipe, and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, kindly follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe. Kiss. Bye, y'all. Peace out.